Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you these easy Farmhouse Chic Dollar Tree DIYs. So first I'm starting with this Cooking Concepts white mixing bowl with the handle here. And I went ahead and cut out some words on vinyl sheets using my Cricut Explorer cutting machine. So this one is just the word blend, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it right to the front of the mixing bowl. And these are just ways to dress up some products from Dollar Tree. This is just a white mixing bowl with the black, makes it just look really sleek and chic. So here I have another one of those white mixing bowls, and I'm just using the word mix for this one, and it just makes it a really cute set. These would also make really cute gift sets. You could add like some cookie mix in there or brownie mix with like a whisk, a spatula, a kitchen towel, things like that to make it a gift set. If you guys are interested in ordering these wordings from me so you can make these bowls yourself or custom words, I'm going to leave my email address in the description bar. Send me an email and I'll send you a link where you can order it from me. So the next DIY is really simple. I just have a white glass plate from Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and cut out a cow shape on my vinyl sheet, again with my Cricut machine, and I'm just applying it to the plate. I also have a white easel. I'm sorry, just an easel from Dollar Tree. I painted it with a white chalk paint, and together you just have this sleek Farmhouse Chic kitchen decor here. So for the next part of this DIY, I have some beautiful books that I found at Dollar Tree. These are hardcover books, and I just like the way the hardcover looked on these books. So I chose 4 of them, and I'm putting these together using some hot glue, and we're going to make a kitchen knife holder. It's something different, but it looks really gorgeous, especially paired up with these other items that I have, and you can just add this beautiful decor to your kitchen. So these is what the books look like, and we're just going to go ahead and glue those together using some hot glue. So after you add your glue, just go ahead and make sure that they are flush at the bottom and just continue to stack them together. So now I have this nautical rope from Dollar Tree, and what I'm doing is untwisting it. I like the way the rope looks untwisted. It has like a crimped look to it, and I just think it's prettier this way. So this is all you do, just untwist the rope. And all I did with the rope was just tie it around the books, and then I tied a bow right in front, and this is what it looks like, just really cute. So now this is a kitchen knife holder. You can go ahead and just slide your knives right in through the pages just like so. And you have this really cute Farmhouse Chic kitchen knife holder. And here's what it looks like. I think it came out really, really nice. And all of these paired together, you just have this really sophisticated Farmhouse Chic decor for your kitchen that you paid, you know, a couple of dollars to make. It's just really inexpensive, but it looks really nice. So again, I hope you guys really enjoyed these Dollar Tree DIYs. Remember, my email address is in the description bar if you would like to order any of these wordings from me or custom wordings. And this is what it looks like together. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you give me that thumbs up, share the video, leave me a comment, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys really soon.